How to folding electric wheelchair. The Dashi MG. Turn and lift. Use both hands to lift seat. Use both hands to push seat down. Push and twist. Pull down to put the chair in drive. This means the chair cannot be moved manually. Flip up to put the chair in neutral. It can now be pushed. The chair must be in drive to operate electrically. Pull pin to flip the armrests up. Flip footrest down and position your feet with the straps. Push lever to swing the footrests away. Push to swing back. The footrest will click into place. On. Check battery light. Adjust speed. Beep beep. Place the joystick in the V between your thumb and forefinger. Manual and charger included in the bag at the back. Charge all night. Every night. The Dashi MG.